What were they suggesting? Ano yung gusto nilang o parang pinaparamdaman nila na you felt was a political agenda?
Well, they wanted to remove bawal judgmental portion. Okay? The bawal judgmental portion is a highly rated portion. That's why we always place it at 1:45 to end at 2:30. It takes 45 minutes because the rating is high. They want to replace it. Ang ipapalit daw is a portion ng search for kasambahay. So I said, sabi namin, teka mo na, we had made in the Philippines before. It was okay. But then, after one season, we wanted to, after 2 or 3 years, we were going to do it again, made in the Philippines. It was a flop. Wala pang 1-2 buwan, di namin tinuloy because the advertisers did not like it. So sabi nila, hindi naman kumakagat, hindi masyadong kumagat yung una eh. Ba't magagawa ng parang? So hindi na namin ginawa. It's the same thing. Pinalitan mo lang ang pangalan. It's going to be kasambahay. And then, sabi ko, why? Mahina yan eh. And then they said, they admitted it again a few days ago, that Romy is putting up a party list, kasambahay.